So today I'm going to show you how to do the wireless print and scan using HP printer and your smartphone, and how to do the copy as well. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to go to the Android device, smartphone, and download the HP Smart app from the App Store. And once you do it, we go to the printer's display panel. As you can see, this is the wireless button here. So once you press it once, this blue light starts to blink. Now this activates the Wi-Fi direct. And now go to your Android phone, open the Wi-Fi settings and look for the HP printer 2600 series. Click on that. Now enter the password 12345678. Click on connect. Now go and open the HP Smart app. Here we need to add this printer, so click on the plus button on the top, look for the printer name. You can see it has added the printer. Now we can do the wireless print and scan. So let's start with the copy first. To do a copy, we need to open the top scanner. Now place a page facing downwards you want to copy, and click color or black any button once and the copy will start. And now I'm going to show you how to do wireless print and scan. We go to the Android device in HP Smart app, open the print document icon, look for any document you want to print. So whatever you have saved you can use here, and you will get all the options here. Select the number of pages and wait for the print to come. And now I'll show you how to do the wireless scan. Now go to the device again and look for the printer scan option. Click on that. Now open the printer scanner bed. Place the document facing downwards. Close the lid and click on the scan. So this will transfer the scan here. So this is the easiest way to use this HP printer, and you can just wirelessly scan and print the documents. So here you can see it has scanned the copy. Thanks for watching.